In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted information in Airtable. Whether you've accidentally deleted a crucial record or simply changed your mind about a removal, this guide will walk you through the steps to breathe new life into your data. Let's get started. To kick things off, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Once you're signed in, head over to the Airtable dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects are managed. From here, navigate to Airtable's homepage and pinpoint the specific base containing the information you wish to recover. Be sure you're selecting the correct base. Having the right base at your fingertips makes the recovery process much more straightforward. After identifying and selecting your base, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Just before you reach the Help section, you'll spot the Base History tab. Clicking here allows you to delve into the historical changes made in your selected base. The Base History section is your ally, as it logs every modification undertaken. This is your starting point for tracking down deletions among the array of updates. Once inside the Base History section, sift through the list of all changes that have been logged. You want to specifically focus on any record deletions. Clicking on the Record Revision History will grant you a detailed account of all changes made to individual records, encompassing any deletions that have transpired. This is where you're able to correct any missteps. If you're looking for the fastest path to recovery, look for an option to simply undo a recent change. This option is ideal for swiftly getting things back on track. However, if what you need requires a deeper dive into recovery, opt to click on the trash. This is where you'll discover records that have been discarded recently. Peruse through these until you locate the specific record you're aiming to restore. Once you've pinpointed the record you're after, a click on the Restore button will reinstate your deleted record to its rightful place. It's almost like magic, but rest assured, it's the result of smart, practical functionality that Airtable users rely on to recover data with ease. And there you have it. By understanding these steps, restoring deleted data in Airtable no longer feels like a monumental task. Not only can you rectify accidental deletions, but you can do so efficiently, ensuring that your workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and happy recovering.